cold blood. I will serve my goals. You'll be beaten. My knife ain't in my hands right now. But as I said, the bomb is in 5 more hours from the countdown. It already started. In 5 seconds, the self-destruct would be on. Now, you only have 1 hour. Time is ticking. Now, Sydney, it is up to you. If you're going to stop this madness, then you're going to have to save everyone. If you want to save everyone, I'll be there. Then, you come to Criminal Valley. I'll be waiting for you. And then, if you can defeat me, you can get to the control panel and shut it down. Sydney, you're getting this message. Then you'll be able to do what I said. If not, you're going to have to die. Time is ticking. Make up your choice, Prescott. Because today will be the happy day. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Sincerely, Scream.